What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a Mama and Her Cookies. I'm Micah, and I am 40 weeks and 4 days pregnant. So we are just a little bit past our due date, but not yet to our expected date, because the midwife said we should expect her probably on the 10th. So we are still holding out for that. But I wanted to just go through and show you the things that I've been doing to prepare for the postpartum period. All the things that we're gonna be needing like right when we come home from the birth center and in those first couple weeks. So number one are these baskets. I have one out here in the living room, one in our bedroom, and they have several of our mini blankets. We have two sizes of diapers because we're not sure how big she's gonna be. So we have like the newborn size and size 1, I guess, as well as obviously wipes. We have lots of birth cloths and also a little change of a onesie. The tiniest one we could find, pretty much. That's basically all we have out here. I think that's probably all we'll need, enough for changing and feeding, and that's probably all we'll do. So let's head over to the kitchen and I'll tell you what else we did in there. That's been a place that we've been hanging out a lot recently. So I've been prepping a lot of different things for the postpartum period that will be super helpful, hopefully. I've been doing all the research I can on all the different vlogs and the blogs and the everything, all the Facebook groups, to make sure I'm totally and completely prepared for anything that could come my way. So we have this freezer totally stocked with a bunch of different stuff. We've got filtered water, ice, for munching on, because I don't know, did you experience like a lot of ice cravings when you were pregnant? I definitely have. We also did lemonade ice cubes to munch on during labor. We have these sitz bath ice cubes. So basically, I guess you take like an herbal sitz bath. Well, I guess I did it. So this is what you do, I'll tell you. You have like these little like tea bags of herbs that you basically boil. And then I took that like tea and made them into ice cubes, and then you throw them in your bathtub, and they're supposed to be really helpful for healing everything downstairs postpartum. Then I went ahead and I took the actual like tea bag part and froze that, because that's supposed to be really great to just throw into your pad postpartum. Also helps with healing. In addition to those, I also made Padsicles. Now, if you haven't heard about Padsicles, you've been on all of the wrong mommy blogs, because everybody talks about how great Padsicles are. So you basically take a regular pad. I made them with witch hazel, aloe vera, and then essential oils. I did lavender, tea tree, and frankincense. So those are supposed to be really, really great for helping heal everything up down there. I also made some snacks, because even though my husband's amazing and he definitely can cook for me, I wanted a couple things that I could just grab really quickly, especially during feeding sessions when I hear that you are like as hungry as a horse. Are horses all that hungry? So I made granola bars with all sorts of seeds and nuts and oats and all the things. I made lactation cookies, which, depending on who you talk to, lactation foods and teas and whatever else does not boost your milk supply. But if I can eat a cookie and say that it's doing something, like, why not, right? And these amazing brownie power balls, they are really good. Plus, they're really pretty. So I have all of these around for like, if I want them during labor. I might take some to the birth center with me for post-birth, and then anytime postpartum when I'm really wanting something to snack on and want something yummy. And finally, I've made a couple of freezer meals. Not as many as I thought I would, because we actually make a lot of things that are pretty simple to make. And so it was actually gonna be more of a hassle to like make it and then freeze it and then defrost it and then eat it. Do you know what I mean? Plus, there's not a lot of room left in the freezer for any food, but we do have like some curry and some lentils that we can just use as a base for things. So this is the basket that is gonna be in our room here at the rocking chair, which I think will be my main feeding station, besides maybe the bed in the first couple of days. So I've got all of the things like the breast pump, nipple balm, and lots of nursing pads. Is that what these are called? Breast pads, nursing pads, whatever they are. In addition to all of like the regular like burp cloths and lots of blankets, diapers and wipes, all that kind of stuff, and a change of clothes. So hopefully that's all we'll need kind of in this basket here. We're also really close to the closet, which is where like all of the rest of her stuff is. So the final place that we've got all of our stuff here is the bathroom, which is where I've heard you're spending like 90% of your time, at least in the first week postpartum. So we've got all of our goodies here that are usually going to be kept over by the toilet within arm's reach, but for your sake, I have spared you the image of me sitting on the toilet going through all of this for you. So we've got lots of different sized pads here, which I've already opened some of them to make Padsicles. And then the number one recommended thing, honestly, were adult diapers, which I felt like pretty awkward walking around Walmart with that in my basket, but that's okay. Probably everybody who has had a baby looked at me and was like, oh yeah, girl, you got it. And other people were probably just like, We also have the extras of witch hazel and aloe vera in case we need to make up a little medicated pad on the go. We also have like perennial spray, it's supposed to be really good, along with a perennial balm, just depending, I guess, on mood. And a peri bottle. This one from Frida Mom is supposed to be the best. If you don't know what this is for, you've obviously never been pregnant before. Then I've got like a sock that's filled with rice for like a heating pad, some other cotton rounds if I need them, air freshener. I don't know, this is always in our bathroom. So those are all the things that I've been doing in this last like week or so, trying to prep everything for postpartum. That's just the things for me. If you want to see a video about all the things that I've got for the baby, let me know in the comments below and let me know if I forgot anything. Hopefully before the baby's born, please. Anyway, thanks for joining us for that quick video today. I'll see you in the next video and have a balanced day.